Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model, 4361, a color code 5319/87. It's a green gold color frame. The style of the frame is oval. On the temples here we have a gold Versace emblem. It's the Medusa head. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. On the other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a gray color, and this frame is erexable. Up here we have a Versace gift box, a case for your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.